In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this short math question easy and fast using this TI-84 Plus Civil Edition scientific calculator. So let's get started. The question says, which of the following equations is the most appropriate linear model for the data showed in the scatter plot? So guys, we have the options to be this. So right now, we're going to experiment with the options we have here. We're going to input each of the options and graph them with a calculator here and see the one that will give us the exact sketch we have here. Okay, so when looking at this question, to eliminate the options that won't be the answer, so looking at this, let me show you something. Let me write something here before we begin to graph this on the calculator. So when you have this, shows us that the intercept, you know that from the value or the formula for a straight line graph, we have it to be y equals mx plus c. So this c is our y intercept, this is our independent variable, this is our slope, and this is our dependent variable, right? So the intercept is usually where the straight line cuts across the y axis. So this is the y axis, this is where the straight line is going, so it cuts across here. So the axis of the y, it went to the positive y axis. Alright, so at the being it came out somewhere around here, it would have been negative y axis. So from this now we can establish that the y intercept is a positive value. Okay, so that means this one that has negative 10 will not work, so it's negative y intercept. This one that has negative 10 will also work, negative y intercept. So the option, the right answer lies between option B and option D. So let's experiment with each of the options here, B and D, and see the one that gives us this exact graph we have here. So let's make a calculator and solve this, guys. Follow me, you enjoy it, it's very interesting. Okay, so this is a TI-84 Plus Civil Edition calculator. The very first thing to do is to reset, to put in default mode. So to reset, press second, then this plus button, press 7 for reset. Once you set over and press 1, then press 2 to reset, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so to grab this on the calculator, make use of this y equal to button. On top of it is written start plot. So let's begin with option D. So we have it to be the slope is 1.9 there, then the independent variable is not known, x, then we have plus here the y intercept is 10.1. let's see, we're going to have this sketching of the graph when we graph it now. So that's it. Let's press graph this button and it will graph it for us. You see, so it shows us that the answer is not option D. You see, the graph is taking this direction, whereas what we have here is taking this downward direction. Okay, so it's not correct. Option D is not correct. So let's clear this and clear this. Yeah, let's impute the values for option B. So we have it to be negative. Now guys, note, make use of this negative sign here, this one, not this one. Okay, so this is the right one to use in this situation. Okay, so you have, when you're starting a value, okay, with negative sign, I recommend you use this one. So we have minus 1.9, okay, x, then we have plus 10.1. Alright, so that is right. Yeah, we are good to go. Let's grab this, press grab button. Exactly, so this is the same thing what we have here. Okay, this is the direction the graph is taking. So the right answer is option B. It's as simple as this. So this is basically how you can deal with problems like this, how to graph solutions on the TI-84 Plus Civil Edition Civil Calculator easy and fast for your multiple choice questions in SAT. Hopefully something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more on this video. So like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions or ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. And I'll be sure to give you a response. So ensure part of the channel membership and clicking the join button. I'll be getting premium information on how to solve other similar sound math questions like these. Otherwise, I don't know, click on the next button. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.